So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Handy Danny. I don't know if I've ever introduced myself. And if you don't know who I am, I go by Handy Danny. You can call me Handy Danny. Here, it comes with 3 of these different things. And this piece right here, the handle, is only gonna have 1 handle. And it has 3 of these for 3 different types of guns, 3 different applications. I marked this one my D handle, DH. So I don't have to go digging through all of them and see what size it is, but it attaches right to the gun. Basically, that goes on this D handle, has the little boot right there, and I tighten this on, okay? I just spin this to get it tightened on there. Nice and good and snug. This guy right here, it has a guide right here, and then here's a lock. I can adjust this. So I only go to that level if I want to with my bit. I like to just have it all the way open. And I can make this operation left or right. That's all that is. So I hook it on there and I lock it in and I'm ready to go. It's just set, ready to go. Once I put my bit on there, this right here is going to do the nasty dust collection. As you can see right here, the brushes, you see I got a little dust in there now. I've already ate up one of my brushes, but I'm about to show you something real cool. When it comes to this whole double pump shotgun type of situation. And then I have a vacuum that connects right here. So once I kind of connect all that, it extracts the dust through here and it keeps me safe. I'm gonna show it to you. Down in the hole. Works perfectly. See that, how it extracts down into the hole and locks it down. Beautiful. Silica, get you a line going, and